Hi again, everybody. Nice catch. I want to review your assignment that you will be working on in class or online Thursday and Friday. The assignment is called Grammar Name Bubbles. Um, what is a grammar name bubble? It's basically going to be either a sheet of paper, a computer paper, or it could be a Canva poster, and there's a Canva link on Google Classroom, or a Google Drawing. If you don't know what a Google Drawing is, I can show you in class, but I am only really offering that for people who might be already familiar with Google Drawing. And so the grammar name bubble is going to be basically you're going to write out your first name in big bubble letters, take up the whole paper. If you have a really long first name, you can do two sides of the paper, or you can shorten it, or you can do the whole thing. You'll just kind of have to be aware that when you're writing your name out, you want all the letters to fit. And then after you have your name in bubble letters, what you're going to do is you're going to then find 5 nouns, 5 verbs, 5 adjectives, and then 5 favorites of yours that you will then put in the grammar name bubble. So a noun, just to remind you, person, place, thing, idea, concepts. Verbs are things that act, and they are action or linking. But for this case, action verbs are probably the best. And then 5 adjectives, words that are descriptors. And then you're going to plug those in wherever you want into your bubble letters that you've already made. I did include an example that Mr. Flip did in Canva, and his is a little sideways here, but as you can see, his last name is Flipowitz, but he wrote Flip, and he wrote dad, friend, actor, reader, teacher. Those are his nouns. Reading, listening, teaching, singing, parenting, those are his verbs. And then adjectives, how would he describe himself? He's caring, he's creative, he's definitely geeky, adventurous, and super loving. And then finally, his 5 favorites. His favorite sports team, Red Wings, favorite place in school, Bothwell, favorite type of music, rock and roll. His favorite people are his daughters, Kiv and Mo. And one of his other favorite things are his pets. And that is kind of what the final product will look like. I super encourage you to use Canva if you're familiar with it, and you can try a new tool out. You also can try out Google Drawings. Google Drawings can be found in the little dot right here. There should be an option for drawings. You can go to more from G Suite Marketplace, or alternatively, you can also just kind of Google Drawings, and you can go from there. If you kind of stumble with like thinking of nouns and verbs and adjectives, you can click this part of speech link and it'll define those words for you. And then I also included a link here with some ideas for adjectives that you can choose from. If you were kind of like stuck and you're like, I can't really think of an adjective. Beyond that, this assignment, just so you know, is going to be due at the end of class on Friday. If you are doing it on paper, then you can just turn it into me in person in class on Friday. And if you are going to do it on Canva or through Google Drawings, I just want to make sure that you add it to this assignment. I wish I could show you, but I don't have a student account. There should be a little add button on this assignment once you view your assignment, and you can add that from your Google Drive or wherever it might be. I do recommend that if you use Canva that you save it as a PDF, and then it'll save right to your Chromebook, and then you can just add it onto this assignment. All right, and of course, as always, if you ever have any questions, just feel free to comment on this assignment. You can make a comment or send me an email, and I usually respond to those pretty quickly. All right, I hope you guys have a great day, and take care.